Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change paper size in Google Docs. So if you want to change paper size in Google Docs, what you have to do first, you have to go to Google Docs and you will see like this. Now you can change or rename here. Okay, so you can rename here from here. And now if you want to change the paper size, what you have to do here, you will see file option. Okay, now click on file and here you will see page setup option. Click on it and here you will see two types: whole document, selected content. Okay, and here you will see portrait, orientation or landscape. So you can apply that and you can also choose the size here. A4 is the standard size, but you can choose A5, B4, B6 or later size, legal size, statement size. Like this you can change. Just if I want to change it to later size, okay, now click on OK. Now you will see that it is on later size. So like this you can change paper size in Google Docs. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank